मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. BMS Montessori Wing, Miss Shumaila Rahil here from class Advance. I am your maths teacher and this is my lecture number 3, part B. Parents' instructions. Always remember say Bismillah aloud before starting any work or exercise and encourage the children to do so. Motivate the children of his work. After finishing any work or exercise, say Alhamdulillah. So kids, welcome back to school. Instruction of kids are creative way to learn numbers. Writing for kids. Follow the dotted arrow and write the correct formation of numbers. प्रीवियस नॉलेज इज़ लाइन पैटर्न्स, जो आपको लाइन पैटर्न्स करवाए गए थे, जिसमें आपको मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की लाइंस बताई गई थी, स्लैंटिंग लाइंस, कर्व लाइंस, वेवी लाइंस के बारे में. और इसके अलावा राइट फ्रॉम 0 to 5 फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 1 to 3 लेक्चर नंबर 3A. 0 से 5 तक आपको काउंटिंग करवाई गई थी, जिसका रिव्यू आपको दिया जाएगा. So this is your copy, पेज नंबर 1 और इसका रिव्यू ये है. Okay kids, look at your page number 1 and this is your previous page. सबसे पहले हमने किया था लाइन पैटर्न्स, जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया था these are slanting lines, curved lines, wavy lines, slanting lines, curved line, wavy lines. This is your previous lesson. And also is right from 0 to 5. You see, आपने काउंटिंग की थी 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Page number 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Page number. This is your previous homework. So today topic objective is to make the children learn and practice recognition of numbers, association of numbers with quantities and sequence of number. Now we are starting a new exercise. Color the correct quantity. This is page number 4. First of all, mention the date. Take the classwork. Color the correct quantity. Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 3. Now we color the 3 objects. How many drums? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 drums. Now we color the 3 drums. 1, 2, 3. This is also 3. Which number is this? 1. 1. Now we color the 1 flower. 1. This is also 1. Which number is this? 2. 2. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. Now we color the 2 butterflies. Now we color the 2 butterflies. 1, 2. This is also 2. Now you see, you done in a copy. Page. Now we start second exercise. Numbers 1 to 5. Count and match. Count and match the number. Okay, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots? 4. 4. Now we count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there is 4. 4. Wow, B is coming to match the same quantity of 4. 4. 1. There is 1 dot. 1. 1. Look, 1. Now this is 1. 1. Now B is again coming and match with its correct quantity. Count and match with same number. Now this is 5. 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now again, count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We highlight the 5 number. So B is coming to match with same quantity. 5. 5. Now this is 3. How many dots? 3 dots. Count them. 1, 2, 3. There is 3. 3. You look 3? Yes. Again we count the number. 1, 2, 3. There is 3. You see 3 number? Yes, with 3. We can see. हम देख सकते हैं. B. Again coming and match the same number. 2. How many dots? 1, 2. 2. There is 2. Okay. 1, 2. Look at the 2. B is coming to match the 2 number with same their quantity. B match the 2. Wow! Exercise is finished. Okay बेटा, we start a new exercise. अभी जो आपने एक्टिविटी देखी है वो इसी एक्सरसाइज से रिलेटेड है. So this is page number 5. Write the date. मैचिंग की हुई है। जिस तरह एक्सरसाइज में पहले से आपको बताया गया है कि आपने इस तरीके से करनी है, सो आप लोग उसको देखकर इस कॉपी पे अपनी मैचिंग करेंगे। सबसे पहले वी काउंट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स। हाउ मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 4 5. Now there is numbers. Which number is this? 1 1 4 4 2 2 5 5. Now there is 5. And how many flags? 5 flags. So we match the same number. We match objects same number. Okay, same picture. We match the number in same picture. इसी तरीके से हम लोग आगे भी काम करेंगे। How many fishes? काउंट करेंगे and then match its same number. Now you finish your exercise. We start your colors. इन सब पिक्चर्स में आपने अच्छे अच्छे कलर्स करने हैं। ठीक है बेटा? So next page is page number 6. Page number 6. Again, first of all, we mention the date. And tick the classwork. Okay, now there is count, write and color. पहले गिने। Evolution is ask the question that which number match their quantity. आपने बच्चे से सवाल करने नंबर्स के बारे में कि ये कौन सा नंबर है और इसकी क्वांटिटी के मुताबिक उसको आप बच्चा काउंट करेगा और देन मैच विथ सेम नंबर। सो प्रीवियस टॉपिक का मैं नेक्स्ट वीक में फीडबैक लूँगी। होम टास्क इज़ पेज नंबर 1 to 6. So kids, have a great time. Allah Hafiz.